Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. As usual on Monday we do. So we start as usual from the weekly chart. Here we have two important moments on the weekly chart. First of all, our long-term view on the market is that Bitcoin is gradually turning to the major swing of the upward trend, on the long-term trend. But before this major part of this trend will start, so most acceleration will start, market should show the retracement. And the problem here is that this retracement could take the different shape. In fact, right now we are watching for the two possible scenarios. First scenario is A, B, C top tier retracement to the downside, so we could get a kind of the godless triple to buy pattern here. So it could be something of that sort. AB equals CD somewhere to 75 even area, and then that will be a retracement that we're watching for, and then market will continue to move higher. Conversely, we could get reaching of the major COP target first, as the market will hit the COP target, forming the butterfly here. This is an important target, guys, because this is all-time COP, so you can see these markings B and C. So we have the all upward rally since the beginning as the AB leg, here is the BC leg, retracement. All this drop from the 10,000, 20,000 right to the bottom, it's BC leg, and that will be all-time COP targets, 1535. Then market could form a kind of the maybe hand and shoulders or something of that sort, showing deep retracement, and then upward rally will start. We have reasons. Actually, market keeps well at both scenarios, because take a look on the weekly. The grabber pattern that has been formed 2 weeks ago is still valid, and grabbers suggest the taking out of this top. Why we, if you remember, this 2 weeks ago we talked about this scenario why we have decided that it could be hand shoulders, because forming of the grabber suggests the taking out of this top, and it means that market next target will be 1530, and probably should be completed. At the same time, the recent sell-off that we have seen in last week makes us think that currently chances on the deep upper and downside ABCD retracement is not really small, and market indeed could form this ABCD pattern erasing the grabber. We have reasons to think about it. But anyway, whatever shape of the retracement will be, it will not change our long-term view. So we think that market gradually is turning to the upside. Major trends sooner or later will start, and the shape of the retracement is just the tactical issue. So it's the way how retracement will happen, but it will not make impact on our view. The market should start the long-term upward rally. So, and currently on the intraday charts, on the daily chart, we need to find out what scenario really could be realized on the market. On the daily chart, as you can see, this sell-off that we have got last week, we said that's approximately 80% probability that the market will continue to move lower. And in fact, this stop, this market has stopped here, forming this retracement, is the reaction on the oversold. So if you'll put here the Dinapoli oversold indicator, you will see that market hits the oversold here and here, and that's just response. Because take a look. Here, when the market hits the oversold, it shows the rally up. Here, we do not have it. Market hits the oversold, but stands flat. This is not the way how market should react. If we would suggest our hand shoulders pattern, right, and this is the bottom of the right arm, this is not the way how market should react on the bottom of the right arm. So because, especially after this kind of the rally that we've got on the slope of the head. So here's bulls should take control over the market, and market should show the upward acceleration, but we don't have it. That's the warning sign that we have here. As a result, we could get this large A, B, C top deep pattern with a target, as I said, 76 even approximately, 75.50. So that will be the retracement. And currently, that scenario is still preferable for us because some other moments point that something is wrong with this pattern. So first of all, it's really very fast sell-off. Let's take a look at this tail closing on this breakout. On the 4-hour time frame chart, if you remember, market has broken 618 support that was here, standing here. Has broken the agreement. It was A, B, C, D pattern, XLP target. It's creating the agreement around the major 618 support. And all this has happened right at the point where right arm should be formed. Current upward action looks not really impressive. So this is mostly some choppy action with this big sell-off in the middle, slowing down. So here on the 4-hour time frame chart, it more reminds signs of the bearish dynamic pressure when the trend has turned bullish, but price action is not. And in fact, on the hourly chart, we have this triangle is forming. This could become the bearish continuation pattern. As market already has abandoned the oversold situation, so take a look again. You can see market right now stands not at oversold and it has free room to drop more. Currently, in the current situation, we do not see the good background for taking a long position by far on the Bitcoin market. We need to see clear signs of the upward thrusting action to change our mind. And currently, we mostly see just reaction on oversold, flat action, and suggest that really could lead to the further downward action. Once market will taken out these lows, it will be a decisive moment for the Bitcoin because in this case, grabber will be erased by the price action and grabber will fail, which cancel the idea of the possible taking of this top. It means that in this case, the ABCD downward action will become the primary scenario. And currently, it seems that this scenario has more chances to be realized compared to immediate upward reversal. So that's what we'll see right now on Bitcoin market.